Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Many iPhone users are complaining that their iPhone battery is draining very fast. So keep watching this video because in today's video I'm going to tell you how to save battery health from draining more, how you can stop it. Let's get started without wasting any time. Friends, if you want to prevent battery health from draining further, you need to turn on low power mode in your iPhone. Turning on low power mode has many benefits. To turn it on, go to settings, scroll down and tap on battery and turn on low power mode. Guys, turning on low power mode brings a lot of changes to your phone. If you have a Pro Motion display iPhone, the refresh rate is reduced from 120 GHz to 60 GHz. The brightness of your phone is reduced, and also the auto lock of the phone is locked for 30 seconds by default. Some visual and animation effects are also reduced, and along with that, uploading of iCloud photos and videos also stops, and apps don't work in the background, and automatic downloading and email fetches are also temporarily paused. By turning on low power mode, you can reduce the load on your battery. It will not affect your battery health, and your battery health will stay good and safe for a long time. You need to turn on low power mode in your iPhone. That's it. Thanks for watching this video.